This is my son's 2014 Civic Si, and we actually took the strut out by just taking this door out. But I thought, hey, I don't want to make it. I mean, it took forever I mean, you just got a little bit of clearance, so I had a wrench going back and forth like this, having to flip the wrench every time, but I knew there was a way in here, so took off the windshield wiper. You have to remove this little dust cap. Well, I don't know, it's just a cap. It's probably more aesthetic than dust. You can actually get to the rear bolt pretty easy. There's just a circular cap that pops off right there. So that gives you access to these two bolts, but to get to this back one, you got to remove two pieces. So you remove this piece first, and you can do that through this little door, and it has a little catch right there. So if you reach under and press that in, you should be able to lift up this side, and then this one you press in as well, and you should be able to lift that one up. And then this one just has the one catch here, and you can also just reach in and push that in. And then these side little ones just go along the side of the body here, and those don't have anything that really clip in. There's just a little lip that holds on. And then also the fact that this hole is around the windshield wiper motor post holds this circle in. And then you've got a pretty good shot to all three with a socket. I think I can get to this back one. Yeah, I can, without taking this other piece off. But anyway, I thought I'd show that because I went to the effort to figure it out. I saw a video online, but he gave absolutely no instruction on removing these body molding pieces, and I was really worried I was about to break them. But just reach up underneath this access hole and depress them, and you'll be golden. Thanks for watching.